Samantha, why do my kids grind their teeth? Why do you think kids grind their teeth?
Maybe because they like the sound of it.
They like the sound of it?
Or they like chew it because they like it.
But you just made the sound by not grinding your teeth. You could just do it.
Or maybe they just like doing because I'm like, you know, maybe it feels like they have something on their teeth. And like...
Okay. Ryan, what do you think? Why do my kids grind their teeth? Why do kids?
Maybe because they think like, because they have like dirty stuff in their teeth.
And so they grind their. What about brushing your teeth instead of grinding them? No? So grinding's better to get stuff out of your teeth?
No, brushing's better.
Brushing's better. That's a big baby head in the picture. Hello, baby. Okay. Jake, what do you think? Why do my kids grind their teeth?
Well, it can either be that they're really hungry or it can probably be a bad habit.
A bad habit. You grind your teeth, I hear you.
Yeah, like stop it.
Grinding and chomping. Must be because you're hungry.
Chomping's like
so,
he's
Jake?
acting like he's a shark.
Like he's a shark, okay. So kids think they're sharks, that's why they're grinding and chomping teeth?
No, it could be either hungry, like I said earlier, or it can either be a bad habit, or it can either be they don't notice and they're just like,
Whoa.
Jake grinds.
Okay,
Whoa.
Darren, why do my kids grind their teeth? Why do you think?
Well, it's probably just a habit,
Okay.
and they don't know that they're doing it.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe they just do it in their sleep.
That's true. So I've heard some kids do it in their sleep. Okay. Someone's going crazy. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.